would you look at that? So, back out dumpster diving over at Core, and look at that. There was that floor thing in there last week, and now there's that big floor thing. I obviously can't get that. It's mostly plastic anyways, so. But, would you look at that? The other dumpsters got crap in it, but it's all junk, so. Yeah, I just gotta show you that. We'll look at fire, door had nothing. So. Alright, that last clip I think kind of just cut off abruptly. I accidentally hit the window, or whatever, to open other windows on my phone. So, but over at fire, this nice piece of aluminum, part of a ladder. The rest of this is just junk. As you can see, that's all yard waste, I can tell. And then the usual oil jugs. So, alright, we'll go see what the other area has and see if that roll-off has anything. If I need to get James for tomorrow. James is at work right now. They have to work every other Saturday, so he's at work. But that was a nice find. Alrighty, over in the other section. Hasn't been looking too good. This is good though. This nice brute. Brutes are expensive. These are nice cans. Look at it, in great shape, nice and clean. But the big problem is I don't see the roll off over there. Like, I've been looking over under the trailers and trucks and stuff. I don't see it. I can't see it. So it might be gone, which is not good. It makes no sense that it's gone after 1 week. So, but anyways, I'll take a quick trip through the rest of here, see if there's anything else. I'll come back for this. So I'll be back for that. I'm gonna finish going through the rest of this place. So far, nothing over here. We'll see. Alright, so the last dumpster, as you can see, there's a little grill in here. I think that's it. I don't think there's anything else in here. I didn't really look, but so there's that little grill. I'll grab that, I guess. And that'll be it. It looks like, I don't know, top might be aluminum. I can't quite tell from here. It's getting dark, so. But anyways, two other little things I grabbed. There was one dumpster. It was in there. There's 2 bags of trash in there and a bunch of bottles in there. So I brought the bags out, like sat them like right here on the trailer, and I was going through and throwing the bottles in the trailer. Well, here comes around the corner, because it's right on the end. Here comes around the corner, there's a white little cube van. Just drives by and then, you know, goes back around the corner. I don't really think anything of it. But then, so, you know, then I'm finished with that bag and go grab the other bag and start doing that one. Here comes a car again. And then it turns right on the other side of the dumpster, because there's I don't know, I guess a little, you know, the apron, and then there's the bay door. And I seen that it drove in there. The place has got a nice big section of indoor parking in the garage, and he pulled in there and never said anything. So, but after that, I kind of just, you know, I finished what I was doing. Well, I didn't quite finish. There was a couple of bottles I still saw in there, but I figured, well, I'll just get out of here. You know, I'll just get out of here. This is kind of awkward. I'll get out. And then I swung back at the brute, checked the other place over there. There was a little light. The top piece is aluminum. It's got cheap plastic around the bottom, and then some thin pieces of wire that I shoved in here. So that's that, really. So dumpster diving, not too much stuff. We'll see what tomorrow brings trash picking wise, but I don't really think there's anything else in here other than this grill that I'll grab. And that'll be it for dumpster diving. We'll see you tomorrow for trash picking, and then I'll talk to James about that big floor sweeper. I don't know if he'll want to go back there and, I don't know, get the caster wheels off of it, or see if there's anything that's scavenged off of it. So we'll see. I'll talk to him tonight about it. Alright, so Sunday night, got quite the haul. I got a lamp, 2 fans, 2 vacuums, 2 vacuum cords as well. That's just a VCR, that's just junk. Like I said, that. I just grabbed this, and it's steel, but kind of a good thing I grabbed it. That's a nice little piece of copper right there sticking out of it. A couple little pieces of cord. A couple streets over there. There was I don't know if it's like an adjustable bed or medical bed or whatever it is on the bottom, and then there's a stack of mattresses and other garbage on top. So I just got under there and cut what couple pieces of wire I could. There's one of the vacuum cords. I got the other one earlier. I did a little pre-check on my way home. Today was a very nice day. It was 70-something degrees. It was pretty decent yesterday, so a lot of people, you know, were doing some cleaning and yard work and stuff. apparently cleaning out their vacuums because there's so many of those. But like, I don't know, you can't see our pile out there. Like, a lot of them have like yard waste. A lot of people, started up their lawnmower the first time. I didn't did this back portion. James is playing around back here, but so like, a lot of people started did like their first cuts of the year. So there's a lot of yard waste and some other junk. Some other nice piles. So that over there in the darkness, there's 2 screen doors. Actually, on the same block there. Other week I was talking about where the screen door was. Although that was wood, it wasn't actually an actual screen door. But over there, there's two other ones. They have no glass in them. I'm gonna go over on foot and grab those. But other than that, that's it. I'm definitely gonna go out. If it's not raining, I'll go out tomorrow night. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, but it'll also be nice tomorrow. So I'm expecting to do pretty good over there on Tuesday route as well. Maybe if I'm real bored, I'll go do Thursday as well. Although I think the weather will be pretty cold for Thursday, so I might not go out. Oh, I got 2 rotors too. Those reminded me. Those 2 rotors. That's that light thing I got in one of the dumpsters. The other yesterday. That top part's aluminum. That's junk. Junk plastic. It's not glass at least, which is good. Like I said, I'm gonna get those 2 screen doors, and that'll be it for tonight. We'll see what tomorrow brings. Okay, so I went and got the one. Oh my, this is so heavy, and I'm weak, so trying to carry that the block and a half over. Oh my, no, I'm not getting that other one. No way. That was killer on my arms, my hands, because I forgot to grab my gloves as they're sitting right here. So it killing my hands and my arm and shoulder, man. I mean, I had to set it down in the middle of the street just to finish getting it over here, and then I just kind of dragged it the rest of the way. I way underestimated how heavy these things are. When it had like glass in it, there's no way. I never could have done it. Whew. I don't know if this is like solid in here, like under this sheet. It's like a solid wood or whatever. It feels like it because this end's super heavy. Normally they're hollow. There's nothing in the middle. Or a very thin sheet of whatever. The other couple ones I've gotten, pretty sure they were hollow. Like I said, I'm not sure. I really don't think there's a way it could be put in the trailer. I kind of want to see if I could, just so I can get the other one. Obviously, it would be nice if these were cut in half. But then, like, that's the other thing, too, is having all of this stick out. So, well, I got the one at least. That's one screen door saved. Because most other scrappers, I'm pretty sure don't pick them up, even if they did. Whether they have the glass or not. I'm pretty sure most of them don't pick it up because they just don't want to deal with it. Especially if it's got glass in it, they just don't want to deal with it. And those really not hard. Although most of the time, like these ones, they're rusted. You're probably going to have to drill those out. You're not actually going to be able to unscrew it. And these look like they're flatheads. Yeah, usually they're Phillips. That's interesting. Like I said, ooh, that's killer. And they're both about equal weight, too. And I don't think the town picks them up either. I don't know, because really, these 2 are behind. So I'm not sure if anyone would, or they just assume it's a wood door. I don't know. A lot of scrappers seem to be kind of lazy and don't really thoroughly check things. Otherwise, they'd probably pick up more. They'd get more. So, like I said, I'm not getting the other one. There's no way. That was way too much. Way too heavy. I mean, even trying to do it on a bike and trailer, I don't think I could do it. So I'm going to be feeling that tomorrow, that's for sure. Anyways, we'll see about tomorrow. Alrighty, so as you can see, a trailer has now appeared. There we go, you can see it better now. It's got a snowblower on it, that drum, this chair for some reason, that metal tub over there. This is a metal cabinet. It's got drawers in it that James is keeping. We're getting that running, so that's not scrap. Chair, don't ask me why we have it. Grill, that was not that was from something else, or that was from our aunt's. And then under the dead body cover is where there's And the drum is where the stuff is. And you see some wire, a couple miscellaneous pieces, not much. And that. And like I said, there was a grill, there's a fire pit, but James is keeping that, and then scrapping the other one we have. So that's that. And as you can see, it's raining. It's been raining since at least 6, so I didn't go out to Tuesday out like I would have liked to, because it's been raining for almost the last 6 hours now. So I did process what I already had, but didn't add to the collection. So we'll play around with this tomorrow.